need to transfer funds from your Interactive Broker account to your UK bank account. Let me show you how. Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick guide I will show you step by step how to withdraw money from your Interactive Broker account in the UK to your bank account safely and quickly. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Log into your Interactive Broker account. Step 2. Go to the transfer/pay section. Step 3. Select withdraw funds. Step 4. Choose your UK bank account as the withdrawal destination. Step 5. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Step 6. Review and confirm the withdrawal request. Step 7. Interactive Broker will process the transfer. Timing depends on your bank, but it usually takes between 1 to 3 business days. Step 8. Check your bank account to confirm that your funds have arrived. Quick tip: make sure that your bank details are correct in order to avoid delays or failed transfers. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.